The Philippines called the actions of Chinese vessels against its boats carrying out South China Sea resupply missions over the weekend, including one with a senior Philippine military official aboard, a serious escalation. Manila accused the Chinese Coast Guard and maritime militia of repeatedly firing water cannons at its resupply boats, causing serious engine damage to one and deliberately ramming another. Philippine Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces Romeo Brawner said he was on board a vessel that was both sprayed with a water cannon and rammed. The Philippines has filed diplomatic protests and has summoned China's ambassador over its aggressive actions in the South China Sea, which a foreign ministry official said were a threat to peace, good order, and security. China's foreign ministry said on Monday it had lodged solemn representations and a strong protest with the Philippine side over what it said was a collision on Sunday. The Philippine vessels ignored Chinese Coast Guard's warnings and insisted on rushing into waters near the Second Thomas Shoal. Ministry spokesperson Mao Ning told a news briefing, adding that China's operation was professional, reasonable, and legal. So as things are brewing in the South China Sea, here's 10 things you may have missed in the ongoing dispute. On Friday, Chinese maritime forces carried out illegal and aggressive actions, blasting Philippine ships with water cannons at least 8 times. Long-range acoustic devices were also used, causing severe discomfort and incapacitation to the Filipino crew. Hundreds of Chinese ships gather near the Philippines. At least 135 Chinese militia ships are swarming Julian Felipe Whitsun Reef in the West Philippine Sea. They gathered, creating a wall of Chinese ships. Mysterious balloon breach. For the first time, Taiwan's Ministry of National Defense reported tracking a Chinese balloon crossing its side of the median line. Ostensibly identified as a weather balloon, it disappeared, heading east toward Taiwan, 1 hour after it appeared. Flexing freedom of navigation. A U.S. Navy P-8A Poseidon anti-submarine warfare aircraft transited the Taiwan Strait on Wednesday. On Monday, littoral combat ship USS Gabriel Giffords sailed near the Second Thomas Shoal, the first time since 2015, irking Beijing. Satellite surge. Taiwan's Ministry of National Defense tracked 5 separate Chinese satellite launches in less than 1 week. The unprecedented surge sparks questions about intentions. MND noted they posed no threat, but were identified because they passed its air defense zone. China's credit cut to negative. Moody's rating agency downgraded its outlook on China's sovereign credit, citing growing risks of lower economic growth and a crisis in the property sector. Notably, Moody's told staff in China to work from home before the announcement. Banking bubble bust? China is experiencing a full banking system collapse. State-owned banks were instructed to roll over existing local government debt with longer-term loans at lower interest rates amid a deepening property crisis. Not a good sign. Cooperation or confrontation? From trade to human rights, the leaders of China and the European Union differed on a wide range of issues at a summit this week in Beijing. Xi called for cooperation, not confrontation, as the EU delegation considered imposing trade sanctions. Chinese warships have docked for the first time at Cambodia's Ream naval base, currently undergoing a Chinese-funded upgrade. The move comes as a Chinese general visits Phnom Penh, which is expected to further bolster ties between the two countries.
主炮2则，主炮系统备变，主炮做好近距离反击准备。
伴随着激昂的分列式进行曲，受阅舰艇 水下蓝鲸前行，海面战舰驰骋，天上银鹰翱翔。官兵整齐站坡，向习主席致敬。
同志们好！同志们辛苦了！同志们好！
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.